Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. There is something I want to let you people know about the 5 factors that delay egg production in Nigeria. The 5 factors that delay egg production in Nigeria. Number 1 is stress. Number 2 is I'm going to explain it everything one by one. Number 1 is stress. Number 2 is old age. Number 3 is disease. Number 4 is light exposure, and number 5 is improper nutrition. Then you can see this place. You can see this place. The birds are not stressful. You can see all of them here. To die here, they do not even have any stress on them. Because if they have any stress on them, they will delay egg production. You can see how they are making noise. But you people will not do not understand this noise. This noise is the noise of food. If they are about to give them food, they are making this noise. You can see them extreme there. Noise of giving them food. How they are making noise. And this one is that the 5 factors that can delay egg production. 1, stress. These birds they are not stressful. You can see how healthy they are. Another one is that you can see up here. Here is open. Here is air. Air enters here and goes out. Here is open car. Now there is a lot of free place. They are not stressful. But if here is not airing and here is being blocked, they will have stress in them. And assuming now inside here, there's supposed to be 4 birds here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put it 5 or 6. They will develop stress. And they will not be laying egg. That one will add to the stress. That is number 1. And number 2 is old age. Old age will delay your egg and your birds from laying. Now, these birds are 5 weeks now. We pick all the eggs in the morning. You can see these birds here, 5 weeks, they are laying. Every 25 or 24 to 28 hours, they will normally drop 1 egg. You can see them dropping 1 egg every 24 to 25 hours. I'm telling the fact. They are young. Once they are getting aging, that one will contribute, the egg production will reduce. And in few weeks to come, I'm going to tell you how you can prevent those things. And the only thing you can do is that once they are aging, their egg production drops, you can sell it auction. Before then, you buy the new ones and replace it. Number 2 is disease. Disease can delay egg production. Like now, whenever we are not treating them well, we are not buying the adequate drugs to give them, you are not giving them vaccine, even herbs. Here we normally have herbs, we normally give them herbs. They too take herbs and they became healthy and everything. That one stimulate them to lay egg. And it do not allow them, and it do not delay their egg production. That's why if you do not follow the footsteps, your birds will delay egg production. And number 4 is about light. These birds need adequate light, daylight. Even in night, you may add it a light. Not that I say that you add it light at night. You add it throughout night. You are going to cause a problem. Once you find doses, what you can do is that you make sure that in daytime, here is open, there is enough light entering. Down here, there is enough light. Then normal 12 hours light is here. Then in the evening, you may even add additional, let me call it 2 hours light for them. That one is okay. Excess 2 hours light is okay. Excess, your own. Don't this one their own is okay, but normally it's a 14 let me say 13 hours to 14 hours light they will get. But if they don't even get light in daytime, you build it in indoor, there is no light, that one will delay their egg production. They are the one of the factors that will delay the egg production. I'm telling the fact. Another one is, the fifth one is improper nutrition. The improper nutrition means that you can see down here, we have a feed. We have 2 feed here. We normally have up to 4 types of feed. Like now, we normally use up to 4 types of feed. Like we have top here, we have a hybrid here. And then you can see our eggs here, the one we collected today. Then these ones is about when you don't feed our night feed, if they are registered feed, that one is good for the birds. Once you are giving it, their eggs will increase, and it do not delay their egg production. Those feed have a lot of protein and amino, many things on it, all the types of nutrients on it that will make it be in order. Once you find that your birds are not laying, you check those factors, and then if you find any of them, you treat it. Within few weeks, your birds will bounce back. Let me mention it again. The 5 factors that delay egg production is stress. Number 1. Number 2 is old age. Number 3 is disease. Once there is a disease outbreak in your farm, you first of all treat your birds. After few days, it will bounce back. The 4th one is light. When they do not have adequate light, that one can contribute. And the other one is improper nutrition. These are the factors that can delay egg production. I hope you enjoyed this channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.